Well, the fat guy's back, I guess. Feeling a little sick. Anyway, so what in the world? There's so many wires. I'm like, I don't know. I thought, I've done a lot of things like this, right? And so done a good amount of these plugs and all that, and trying different things out and all that. So I finally pretty much have found one of the cables that was pretty good in regards of heat, in regards of these, and I kind of opened them up and I'm like, what in the world? I haven't counted how many wires there is, but like, I don't get it. Oh, by the way, that's not all of them, of course, because there's some of those, you have all these. Like a huge mesh. Like in the old cables, you had 4, mostly. Maybe you had some in regards to the blue things, but anyway, and you usually had like a red and a black. And the red and the black is the plus and the minus. Like I've done on all these, like you have red in one side and black on the other side. Well, that's a little hard to see, but that's what you have. Red, one side, black, other side. And I glued them together. These are very interesting, these clipping things, but anyway. So I thought, okay, let's just take the new cable, and it seems to be pretty good. It seems to be some of the best that actually, but I'm like, it's just incredible, 1, 2, 3, I don't know, let me just count the wires. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, I think. 16 cables. Now, there are 2 big red ones. Usually you can find the thing that apparently we have 2 red ones. Well, actually we have more than 2, but 2 big red ones. That seems to be the plus, at least. But what about the minus? I did try, and I got 5 voltage and all that. I guess I just have to test every single one of them or something like that. I don't know. It's incredible. Like there should be some kind of, black, right? There's a white here and a white here. And we have a yellow and blue. Apparently there seems to be 2 yellow and blues. So there are 2 reds that seem to be pretty much the same colors as far as I can see. Which seems to be pretty good going together, but yeah, so what's the, I thought maybe plus and minus, but they both seem to be plus. So what is it using for the minus, Is it using multiple cables for the minus? I have a white over here, white there, and a white. There's 3 whites. Maybe it's the white. I don't know. Now we have some small things. I don't think they do anything other than protect the cable when you... Oh my, this is terrible. Anyway, still having hellfire. And I still have pain, and I still feel kind of sick and all that, but yeah, well, I usually have issues, right? But yeah, it's terrible, this hellfire thing. So yeah, just interesting that you have 2 big of the red. You have 1 red over here, which is also having a white. And you have all these. Usually you could just cut all these smaller wires. The thing is, there must be something that also does the serial thing. Of course, it's the issue on both cables here in regards of what is going on, you know. It's like, why would the minus be so little? Why wouldn't there be like a plus and a minus in the same sense? So apparently the newer USB cable seems to be kind of complicated. Like, you know, that's a lot of wires, you know. Maybe, you know, I remember seeing some of the pictures, which I didn't really think was honest, but in regards of having all these different wires and all that, and I'm like, every time I clip it, I really don't see much wires. Usually I only see 4. Anyway, let's see here. Thinking. Okay, so this is green cable inside or something like that. Let's see if we can find maybe a picture. Green USB. Oh, I should have. Okay, green USB-C cable inside or something like that. Cable. Oh my, it's just. We have like a USB-C 3.1, but only, you know, they only have plus and minus, it seems. Anyway, that's okay. We have some of those that you can fix for yourself. I think you can both fix in male or female. I'm not entirely sure, but something to look into. Maybe I can. Here we have a 240 watt. Maybe this was a 240 watt cable I got. I'm actually not sure. That might be the case. Maybe I ripped open a 240 watt cable. Who knows? But whatever the case, it's kind of like, I don't know. You know, it's just how in the world am I going to? Yeah, here we have like a cable with plus and minus. I'm not feeling so good. This must be plus and minus USB fast charging, whatever. Nope, I can't see. Oh, I have a 240. Well, that's male to male, I think. Sometimes they show like a picture of what is inside. Well, I guess it doesn't really say 240 on this cable. It says green. Okay. So, not really helpful with all those wires for sure. See, green wires. Oh, it feels. Oh my. Oh yeah. Well, I think Friday the skin probably will be good again. The pain will probably continue. By the way, the new moon is and a new month is running. Some of the Ukraine, they apparently, I don't see any pictures of the inside. I have like a color, but that's only 4, like red, black, and green, and can't remember the last one. I can't see, and I can't remember what. Wires. Oh, here we go. We have something. Okay, let's see what it says. That seems to be like a huge different in regards to the wires. Maybe I can figure out something. I don't know. Let's see here if we can. They should use the same colors, I would think, every single cable. Here we go. Let's see. So we have like a nylon jacket. Apparently, call it a jacket. A TP jacket apparently. Okay. A metal braided shielding. So you have the shielding and the ground wire. Okay. I wonder if. No, it's not going to work. No, but it's interesting. So you have the grounding wire. Oh, that's the grounding wire. Because you have a grounding wire. So let's see here. So, oops. Let's see here. Oh, this one. So I guess this wire that is found here should be the grounding wire. Okay, that goes with. Must be the grounding wire anyway. Okay. So I have the grounding wire. We have a green, a white, a yellow, and a blue. And we have a red and a red. Okay, we have a red and a red. That's true. And the thin. Okay, we have one more over there, but they don't really. So we have 1, 2, 3. According to this, we have 4 small ones, and we have one a little bigger. Then we have 2 big ones, but that's all. Like no data point in regards of furthering what these cables or wires are. So color cable, coloring. It's okay. It's not totally exact because we have a lot of other colors here. We have and red and white. We have brown and white. We have blue and yellow, and we seem to have 2 of them. One of them is like fixed together. The other one was not fixed together, as far as I recall. So here we have 4 that's fixed together with this grounding. I think that was the orange and whatever color here. And then we have some 3 down here. Yeah. And I have the red here. You would have thought that was kind of maybe it uses the grounding or something like that as a minus. I don't know. I guess the grounding would be pretty thick, That wouldn't seem to be reasonable if it actually. No, that can't be. So I kind of don't know what is going on in the cable. It's typical. Let's see here. Cable, wires, color. What are they? I don't know why there's no plus. It's just so. It seems to be so sophisticated. In regard to, maybe I should fix this other thing here. Let's just have another cable here. Yeah, cool. What do you want? Let's try to just blow that up as well. See if we can see what is inside of that as well. It's not so good to do it, but hey, let's do it anyway. There we go. No way back. It's done. At least it's a lot easier to actually fix the outer coating, apparently the jacket, the nylon jacket or whatever they call it. Okay, let's put the other one back as well here. It takes a little effort. Okay. I think we have enough of both of them. Oh my. I feel I should probably go to bed. So it'll be interesting to see what we have. Let's see. Let's cut this open. I don't understand the other cable, you would usually have, black and, yeah, but not here. Let's see if we can and some earthing thing, and of course it's the cables today apparently can be used for the screens and all that. Anyway, let's see here. There we go. So I take the first layer off, I guess grounding, I'm not entirely sure. It should be the grounding thing here. And another further grounding. Some silicone cables. No. Why don't they have like some kind of, I don't see any. Yeah, I can see the different cables, but not inside. Okay, let's see here. Oh, there we go again. We have the blue coating thing. We have one red, one small red. Okay. So red, yellow, blue, orange. Some, what's this? Green, white. And we have a black. There we go. So the black and the red should be the ones that we need to use. All the rest should just be data cables. I just still don't understand why the other cable doesn't really seem to. There must be some kind of. There's no black cables, is there? No? Nope. It's just, you have the red cables, and then you have to ask where's the minus? Maybe it's multiple minuses that's being used or something like that. But at least this one seems to be pretty easy to. Here we go. That should be the ones. And we have something in these blue ones here, which I actually thought was actually. They seem to be cables, actually. I thought, I tried some of the others that I actually thought were just, kind of structurally. As far as I recall, there's something inside here. Let's try. Maybe not. Maybe it is just a. No, there's some kind of cable here. There's a red and a white apparently. According to that, let's try this one. Oops. Okay. Let's try. Yeah, there's a yellow, and I can't see the other one because it apparently it's not easy to. Well, maybe I should try to use another tool. Oh, actually, maybe I can. Nope, that's probably not going to. Nope. What about the? Isn't there something in regards to this tool? No. How about this one? Yeah. Nope. Nope. Anyway, okay. Now let's try here. Some orange coming up, but I didn't really. Oh my, that was horrible. I just took the whole thing off. It's not the tools I have is not the best. Well, that took also a lot of. I see to have some kind of. They haven't made it easy for sure. Here we go. What's colors? Blue. So there's some blue here on this one. There's some red, yellow. They really shouldn't be used, as far as I know, for the only thing that should be used was the plus and the minus here. And the rest I should be able to cut. That's what I've done on all the others, all the other cables. Now they're really small, these cables, but usually works. Okay, let's try here and get them off here. Give me a break. It's not easy. It's a very bad tool, and it's sometimes it works better than others. It's not the best tool, that's for sure. It was already used and broken when I got it many years ago, so anyway, that's what I have. So if you have the right tool and that isn't broken or anything like that, it's much easier to, of course, do these things. Okay, took a little off the wiring, but anyway, let's see if it works. That's it. Okay, there we go. So, and we have the plus and the minus, very small wire. And we'll try it out, see if it works. And probably should work, like the rest of them. Okay, let's see here if it's up. Oh, this is okay, so that can come over here. Well, how are we going to do? Well, we'll just take this off. I'll fix this in. There we go. On the other side here, inside that. And we should be ready to run, pretty much. Yeah, we'll see. This time, this one has a way of falling off. Very annoying. What's the? Oh, I'll just take one of these. It's terrible. Maybe it's not that hard to figure out. I just don't understand why the plus and the minus wouldn't be, you know, I just give me a break, you know. Okay, anyone sit this on here and get this on here. And we'll just fix this one here, see if it works, and if it works, we can just, I guess, further fix it. Doesn't need to be so big overall, but I just thought it would be nice to. Okay, let's see here. Oops. Well, turned on, and then we need to connect it. Only if it blows up, you know, something was wrong. Let's see. Here goes nothing. Or hopefully more than nothing, but no. Nope, that didn't work. Okay. So that didn't really work apparently. Let's try one of the others just to check if it's because the other one should work. Let's see here. No? Okay, what's going on here? Why is it not working? Let's take that off here. Guess it's doing some. Oh, maybe it's because of the wire. It must be because of something, because of these wires are not connected anyway, so maybe there's something in regards to the wires going through and this and that. Maybe, who knows? Oh, we can just check the thing without. Okay. So, Let's just first try this. Okay, that's working at least. Good. So I should have worked in regards to the other thing here. Okay, let's see here. Maybe it's some of these. Oh, I guess we can just cut them here. We'll cut this one here. Maybe it'll be harder than I thought. Maybe it's become more, yeah, more complicated. Guess I just need to get these other ones that I need to. I can fix myself in regards to wires and all that. Maybe that'll probably be a good thing instead of ruining all these cables and all that. And tend to get. Okay. So let's try again. We have this one in here, plus and minus, yeah, and so it should work. I don't know why it wouldn't work. At least let's try. Oh, okay, this one in here. I wonder if it's reacting to something not so good. Yeah, it does seem to be doing something. So let's try to take this off first, yeah, and see if we can. Apparently something is happening with the. Yeah, there's nothing happening here. So it is apparently in regards of something in regards to this. So let's just try to do how I would usually do it, right? I would take all these things here and just fix it here. Fix it here. I'll just fix it around here and turn it around and just snap it all. Okay, so we have plus, well, that's minus. Now we have the plus here, and we'll just fix this in. Let's see if that really is the issue, apparently. Uh-oh, I have some. Let's see if we can. Oh, that's pretty good. Now, hopefully that will work out in regards to the temperature. Woo! Yeah. Let's see. And that's the fatso, you know. Anyway, let's see what we can do. Okay, we're going to fix the plus in here. Oh, the minus, sorry. Oh, that's the opposite. In here. Or maybe there's just something wrong with these new cables in regards of. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I think it's fine with the other thing here. Let's just get that in there. This one. Just, you know, all the other cables that I pretty much did things with was not that hard to, but maybe they made some new technology, who knows, so it's more complicated. with the plus and the minus. Anyway, let's try to connect it and see what it does. It doesn't sound good when it does that. Anyway, let's try to see if we... Nope. There seems to be something wrong here, clearly. Usually you don't hear that clicking thing, so let's try this. Nope. I think there's something wrong. I don't know what, but seems there's a problem with using the plus and the minus here, apparently. So that's not good. So I don't know in regards to these cables either, in regards of how that's going to be, because I have like the two red ones, and then the question is, what is used for the... I would do the same thing with the other cable, I guess, if I just try to... Where's plus and minus? Here we go. So yeah. Okay, so put this over here, and we should see 5 volts. So yeah, we don't see a thing apparently. That's interesting. That seems to not do anything. Where is it connected? I'll try to turn it around here. Sometimes that's just stupid, but then sometimes you need to turn the USB around. Although I don't think it will work. I think there's something wrong here. I think there must be some other cables that apparently is used for... Nope, nothing. I don't see anything. Okay. Yeah, okay. Now you can see these, like, right, you have plus and minus. The same thing here, well, it's the same cable, plus and minus, black and red. Apparently that's not going to happen here. Let's try to take the other one here. We have the auto coding, and again we have these. Wasn't there like the black one here? It's interesting because the black one does seem to be like thicker than the rest. So you would have expected that these two would go together, plus and minus, and yet there seems to apparently be more to it with these new cables. Yeah, I guess I just don't, I guess I don't want to bother with it much more, pretty much, at the moment. I'll just put it to the side, I guess. Just give me a break, Just give me a break. Didn't think it would be like this mess of multitude of cables. Yet it is. New technology, make it more complicated, right? Yeah. Oh well. Oh, I see. Well, at least it worked in the old cables. I think I'll go into look into in regards to ordering some I can make myself or something like that. Just the plus and the minus or something like that. Although I already have some of those that I already work, so I can use some of those, I guess. I think this is from a 100-watt cable actually. That actually can do 100-watt, and yet it wasn't like, no, I have more cables like these cables. I think was 100-watt cables. I have a couple of them. Let's just have a check. There we go. This is much more. We have I guess this might be the grounding thing here actually. But did I take off the grounding on the? There might be some grounding thing that I maybe took off when I. But anyway, so we have the grounding. We have the blue and the green. And the white, and then we have the black and red, and that's the black and red we want to use. The rest you can just pretty much chop off, but apparently the new cables are a little more advanced. Let's see here, I can't remember if the two of them, as far as I recall it, are, I think, no, this might be actually be ground, the blue, at least the other one was ground in regards to the other blue, and green and white might be the data, I can't remember. But so you have a grounding, and this wire, I'm not, yeah, that's probably also grounding, so I don't know. But anyway, plus and minus, plus red, minus black, and there you go, and you can just fix those on, and works pretty great, I guess. So oh well, I guess. So apparently it gets a little complicated with the newer modern cables, so I guess that was a little waste of yeah, well, let's try to see if we can get if there's actually some outer surface. Okay, let's see here. Oh no. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. There's some outer coating thing. Yeah, so that's probably the earth grounding thing. So. Yeah. And this probably also is a grounding thing. I don't know in regards to the blue. I would, well, blue, green, who knows, I can't, but you know, 4 things in regards to the old USB. But the plus, or the red and the black usually is a little bigger than the other cables, or can at least. And those are the ones that you use of plus and minus. And that's a cable which I can use for transferring energy. So into the tester. Yeah. Oh well, at least it will work, or at least it works. Well, I fixed another one here. You have some of the others. Oh, well, let's have some of the others here. So that's 2 females, and those are actually the worst in regards of heat and all that. So I was looking forward to trying out The others. That's not going to be today. My brain is just apparently fried. I feel sick. I'm not totally in the. At least this worked actually in regards of keeping it cool. I just put my fan, and apparently it also is used for a mobile thing here, so it's great. Anyway, so these are the testers. Works great. It's incredible. I haven't ruined them yet. You know, that's kind of amazing. I'm still keeping pretty solid. Okay, let's see here if we can. Okay, we're gonna take some of these. Let's fix this one in here. We'll just fix this over here, and I'm going to close that in here. Put that in the tester, and we'll just fix this one. Or maybe this one. Fix this to the other one. See if it works. Yep. There we go. It's charging with 194 watts, so yeah. Oh my. Okay. So that didn't really go so good. Lots of small wires. Well, I was looking in regards to the 5 volts, and I did actually find where it was like 5 volts, but I guess I have to test them all at some point when I feel a little better, I guess. So, I wonder in regards to the USB-A if they actually have all these wires in those as well, or if they actually just fix them into 4. Like here we have the green cable, green and white it seems. The 2 others, I guess that must be the data. That must be the green and white. Something of that nature. What's the? Let's see if we can find. That's also U green, isn't it? Oh, that's U green. That's a 60 watt cable from U green. Although it's male, but that's actually only 4. Apparently. Well, that's the grounding. There's some braided shield and ground wire, so there's some grounding wire, and then there's the other 4: green, white, red, and black it seems. But it's interesting that the plus is bigger than the rest. So apparently the plus has to be bigger, I guess, apparently, than the minus, I guess. I don't know why that would, but apparently, okay. Well, sure is a lot of more wires than the ones that I had my thing in. Here we have another one. I think that's probably the same. Now I have the black. No, sorry, the red and the red. I have blue, white, yellow, green, and can't see the other one at behind. That is smaller. So it seems like there's like 2 for the plus side. And the question is, which one is going to be used for the minus, you know? Here we have another one. Like the plus is extra big. You have the green, you have the white. That's usually the data. Then you have a ground wire. And then you have, well, it looks like some grounding thing and all that, but again you have like, what is it using for the? It does, you know, if you have like a big, you know, maybe it's using the grounding for as a minus or something. I don't know. Maybe they fix something in regards of the grounding being used instead. I don't know. Like, it doesn't really, you know, usually you see like plus and minus, right? Here we have like You have a big one, then you have a one that is a little less big, and then you have a green and a white. That should be the data. And this one, this is the ground wire. It's like, you know, if that's the case, then that's the ground wire they use for miners. As far as I can see. Like, that would be interesting if that would be the case, but okay, so let's see here. Like, if this, okay, so this is the grounding wire, and this is the plus side. Okay, so if I don't know if I'm correct. Probably not, but let's try it out. So we'll just take this off. Oh, okay, that's a little difficult. Okay. It's not perfect, but hey. Far from it, that's for sure. It's really hard to. These tools just doesn't work, yeah. Come on. Oh well, anyway. So we're going to get all the red one here, and we'll get the other red one here. So if I'm correct, which probably is not, but let's try it out. Hey, I have to figure it out. And maybe they found a way to use the grounding as minus or something like that to save space. Who knows? So now we're taking the two red ones together. There we go. Oh no, that's the wrong. Do I have the possibility of actually doing that? Uh-oh. No, I'm not sure I am. I don't think I have the possibility of actually going this route in regard. I think I'm needing an adapter thing here for actually being able to do this. So I should actually, that's the other one I need, I guess. Okay. This one that I already have the reds on this one, but I still need the grounding. Yeah, it was interesting that it didn't work right when I fixed the. But that was the. I thought it was the. Oh, that was the other one in regards to the plus and minus. But again, maybe they fixed out something in regards to the grounding. So let's try to. Let's get this away. Now, this one I can. Maybe this one is also made like that, but anyway, let's see. We'll get this one. I can. Oh yeah, we have this one. Oh yes, let's see. Correct. Oh, we can do that, and we can do that. Oh, we could also have done the other way around, I guess. Oh yeah, yeah, okay. Well, I guess we can try both things. Okay, so that's light in it. Okay. So, okay. So, what we're looking for is 5 volts. Oh yeah. Actually get 5 volts. If they really made it like that, that's kind of that's interesting. Well, we get 5 volts at least. Well, 4.9, but that's interesting. Have they really made it like that? Well, then I need to cut this cable and dig further into it because I kind of have. What about the rest of these? Looks to be right in regards of the, the red thing seems to be the plus at least. So, yep. 4.9 volt. Okay. So what about these others? Are they also considered ground in regards of voltage, or is they? Let's try these. So much what I think. Give me a break. Where's the? Okay. So we'll just take this one. Let's see if we can find the 5 volts. That's incredible. We get 5 volts as well on this one. So I do wonder if it's made so it actually can use one of others. Yeah, okay. So I think it's using the grounding as a minus as well, which is kind of weird, but yeah. Or maybe it's because it's touching it, but whatever the case, yeah. But, yeah. Okay. I'll have to try to see if we can get. Let's try this one first. I guess it's just a trial and we can figure things out. It's just a lot easier to actually make a shorting in this nonsense. If that's the case. That is using the ground as. At least you would maybe fix something on every single cable then, so it doesn't make a shorting issue. Can we actually? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take this one, fix it in there, great. And I'm just going to fix this one and see if we get farther. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Don't get anything from this one. Don't get anything from this one, okay. So. Nope. By the earth, okay, so this one, nope, this one, nope, so let's pull this away, okay, let's try the next one, red one here, let's try that one. Now we actually have 2.6, 2.7, so 1.5, 2.02, I don't know. Okay, let's try that. I'll just try the. I don't get anything on. Oh, we get some minus thing on this one. Maybe it's just way more complicated than. Okay. No, we don't get anything on this one. I don't know what. Maybe it's got it for. Okay. Anyway, okay. Nope. I don't know why it doesn't work now. Okay, let's see here. So we instantly get 5 volts when we fix the ground. I just didn't really think that. Why would they? Okay, let's see here. Next one here in regards to this. Okay, you gotta be kidding me. And nothing on that one. Okay. Next one. Again, we get 2.4, 12.5, 2.6. Am I touching anything or something like that? Is that no? It's nothing. Okay, maybe it's because I'm touching something, or in regards of it's doing that. Let's just fix these. Because now it's nothing again. Okay. Let's try this one. Nope. Okay. So let's just kick those to the side here. And again, still the it still does 5 volts when you. I wonder. It shouldn't be that difficult if I can just take that. That might be that this thing here is the what I need. Could be interesting. We have to be a little careful. Anyway, let's just. Do I want to check the rest? Not really, but anyway. Okay, let's just get it over with. Go first one, second one, third one. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's put this to the side. See here. That's still 2.7, but it might be touching something. Which is kind of. Oh no, it's 0 again. Okay. Okay, let's take that away. Okay, it might have been touching something. Nothing. Oh, here we have. Here we have 4.9. Interesting. Well, apparently. Oh, that's the blue one. That might actually also be the grounding. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Like the other one there. Okay, so that one didn't really do anything. That one didn't do anything. It's still weird that it would use the grounding as a minus, you know. But apparently that seems to be the. Here we go again with 2.4. Do we have something touching it? Because apparently, you know, if you apparently have something touching it, sometimes it. Or maybe the green, of course, that could be also in regards of the data thing, right? So maybe that's also, you know, the white one was, you know, see here. Yeah, the white one as well has. Well, that could be in regards to data, because we don't need the data things, but that seems to be fitting in regards of, they usually say lower voltage, so that could be the case. I like 4.5 this one. I don't get it. This is 1.8. I don't know if it's in regards of anything touching or anything. No, it's not just. No, stop. Okay. So maybe it's because something. This is still 4.5. I don't get it. It's kind of too complicated. I guess the blue one, I guess, could maybe be the grounding, and thereby fixing it with the rest of the grounding could pretty much be the thing. So instead of, so we could just do it like this. Let's try to short circuit or whatever it's called. Okay. What it gets to a bigger wire when you, I guess, use it like this. But okay. So what I can do, I guess, is just I can try. This will go, but shouldn't be any voltage that I could get any shortage by, so might explode, but hey, but nothing that I should be able to. Okay, let's just clip these different so we just get them off. Now they kinda don't touch each other so easily. No, there we go. So they shouldn't be touching each other anymore. Now we have two wires, and let's try it out. Okay, here goes. Hopefully something. Oh, this. Okay. This little thing, I'm not sure it really does so good. It gets pretty. The plastic is not the best in regards of. Gets a little soft to the touch. What about the other? Oh, that's hot. It gets very hot. No, anyway. So let's get this one out. Plus and minus as it is. Now okay. Let's see what happens if we connect it. If I can find it, just. Oh, okay. Nope. That didn't sound so good. Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh, oops. I did something wrong here. Oh my gosh. Stupid. Oh my. That was stupid. Hopefully it didn't burn anything out. But it made a short. That was not the purpose of it, of course. Well, I guess it kills the computer as well. Oh, it seems to work still. No? Still short? Uh-oh. Something smells. I wonder. Something smells. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. I might have shorted the thing here. It seems. I made a mistake. Oh my. Nope. We have a shortage. Oh no. Oh no, I think I burned off my station. Apparently. Ah, that's bad. Oh my, that was bad. I forgot to take the plug out from the USB-C. Oh my, that's just too bad. So apparently it's shorting, it seems. So doesn't smell so good. So I guess I maybe did something that is not so good. Oh, that's not good. Yep. Yeah, it doesn't smell so good. Hopefully it's not going to begin to burn or anything like that. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, that didn't really look good. I still have 40% of battery. Ah, that was stupid. Did I really burn it off? That's just terrible if that's the case. It doesn't smell good. So something burned off. I think, sadly. It's just terrible. Anyway, well, we just, that was a stupid mistake. That was a really stupid mistake. Of course, the idea was to, I don't know, that was not the point. Anyway, let's just try to see if this actually works, just to, that's terrible. That was terrible. I'll just see if yeah. Well, it does actually seem to work, the thing that at least it turned it on. So, it does seem to move some energy. But yep, that was not so good. And apparently, I think it's shorting all the time now. It does the DC output, so and didn't really sound good either. Oh no, that's bad. That's really bad. And it doesn't smell good. Easy to break apparently. Usually when it's shorts and all that, it actually does pretty good. I guess it probably had like 200 watts backward into the system. I had 200 watts, that's true, directly into the DC input. That's not good. So it's probably broke. Oh wow. Well, at least something will need to be done to it. How could I be so stupid? How could I be so stupid? That was not my intention. I don't know why I didn't take it out. I'm gonna be kidding me. Why did I take it out? Why did I just connect it? I didn't think I had it in. How did I even have it in? Oh yeah, that was because I was testing the 12 200 watts. How much had a shot? Well, 22 voltage. Well, something of that nature. They just shot it backward. Apparently there wasn't anything output. So apparently we have a problem. Don't be kidding me. It doesn't smell so good. I guess it probably, I guess a capacitor or something like that, So the question is what to do about this. Well, it was going all right, I guess. And now it's dead. Well, I guess the 230 volts still works and all that, but yeah, I don't think it will work in regards to the DC output anymore. I think as if I turn it on, yeah, at the very point I'm turning it on, it shortens. So yeah, not good. Something is burned inside of it. How stupid of me. Yeah, that was not the idea for sure. That was not the. How could I forget to take it out? Well, anyway, it worked apparently in regards to the test, it seems. So I guess I was in the right direction. Well, that's just terrible. I guess the 230 still works. Yep. So I guess I can still get 230 volts out from it. It might also be able to charge the device even. I think the DC output is blown and done. So, oh my, that was so stupid. Oh my, that's just so stupid. Oh well, I guess I needed a break from it anyway. And I got it, I guess. Hopefully it didn't ruin anything else. Yeah. I wonder what. Yeah, it smells burnt, that's for sure. And it also made this blow off thing. I could think about, like a capacitor or something like that has blown out. Would be my guess. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Of course, it was just stupid. How in the world did that happen? How is this stupid? Oh my. And how am I going to fix that, If anything. Terrible. Well, okay. Let's see if it's going to close the. Apparently just says, yeah, short. Oh well. Guess it didn't really take that much to ruin it. Oh well. There we go. It closed the. Well, I can. I mean, I don't know if you can get a replacement something, or maybe they want it back to replace it. If anything, I don't know. I can't remember how it's made inside, but it's. There's some print, of course. There's the batteries. Well, at the very least, I would need to empty the batteries totally. If I'm going to open it up and have a look inside. So I don't do anything that. Oh, stupid, you know. That was just stupid. That was very, very stupid, but it seemed to work in regards to the grounding. So I guess we might have sorted it out in regards of the cabling thing, in regards to the Blue 80 charger and all that. It did seem to at least light up. I don't know if I dare to put anything into the machine at the moment. I think I'll just let it sit for and see what we have. But yeah, I think it's burned off. I think everything is just burned off. Terrible. I don't know. It could just be a capacitor or something like that has burned off. Of course, the annoying thing is that it's, you know, even if it's just the USB-C that is burned off, we still have the problem of the rest not working. Let's see if I can think. I think that it was the. Oh no! I had it in the USB-A. That's true. Oh my. Okay. Didn't I? I had the. Let's see. I had this one. Yeah, in the. Yeah. Okay. So that's the USB-A. I had it in. I think in the top, right? What did I have in the bottom? Or did I have it in the bottom? I don't know, in the bottom or the top. That's a good question. Anyway, one of them, I can't even remember because I just pulled the plugs out in regards of it. Yeah, let's see. Oh, there's either this one or that one. Either one of them. Yeah. Okay, I should have used a battery or something like that for this. But of course, they have a tendency to turn off when you're not using them and all that. If it's not there. I wonder how many of these actually also exploded in regards to the adapters. If they still continue to work. Doesn't really seem to be anything. But maybe the adapters didn't really, you know, they would just progress the. Yeah, I guess. So that's gone through and. Okay, I guess that was it for today. I guess I just, it's dead. Well, the DC input is dead. So, oh yeah, that we made it short again. Sorry, that was not my intention to turn it on again. But yeah, we clearly have a short in the. It could be I would think it would be a capacitor that pretty much just exploded. You know, I've tried that before with other things, and they can pretty much, you know, fire ahead if they get too much. And then they just explode and goes to the moon or wanna go to the moon. That's probably what has happened inside. Maybe there's a lot of things all around, and you know. And again, if that's the case, maybe one can just fix it with changing the capacitor, you know. That might be the case if I can figure out how to open it and all that. Yeah, not good. So, better, that's it. Apparently. Yeah, so I put like around 200 watts through a plug that can only handle 3 amps. that's yeah, okay. Yeah, of course that will do something. So that's like 8 amps instead of 3 amps probably going through the system. Yeah. And that made it explode something. That's just so stupid. I can't believe I made that stupid mistake. I can't believe it. It's just so hard to believe that I could be so stupid not to take it out before. Of course I shouldn't have. And of course this wouldn't be good. That is usually not something I want. That was not intentionally. I just did. I just forgot that I had it in. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, first we fix this and then we. Yeah, I should have gone the other way around, but I thought I wanted first to check if it actually did something, right? Without being put in. But whatever the case, it actually did work in regards of, this one, you put it in and it does seem to work. It turns on at least, so I think I've figured that out at least. So far so good. Just kind of a little more weird that it's doing it like that. And then and then you just need to put the plug into the machine and it should charge. Of course, I should have stopped. Oh my. Stupid me. Well, I guess there's no way around it pretty much. I have to open it up and have it, see if I can get into the place where I'm not sure how well made they made it for that, if you can actually get into it. I remember one opening a lot of the things. If it's just a capacitor, if it's if I can see like a capacitor that has exploded and all that, I might just need to change the capacitor and fix up all the. Of course, it might have burned more, but yeah, who knows? I'm not so technical, so but maybe another issue. Well, still I guess I can still do some DC through the 230 volt. So even if it doesn't work, I guess I can still convert. Although it will cost a lot more power to actually have it running. I guess at least I can have my laptop running. I don't have 12 volt from the. Yeah, so I can't really do that. Annoying. So I guess I don't have any 12 volt and I don't think my thing can actually. We would also need some other stuff to actually get that working. So. I guess I still have some adapters. I haven't thrown all of the adapters out. So I still need the screen. Oh, I threw that out. Oh my, no, okay. Okay, well I have my laptop. I guess I can still run. Until, yeah, well. Okay. Yeah, that's just too bad. Yeah. My. and totally my own fault. You know, can't even blame Blue 80 for it. This was like totally my own fault. Like, you know, you wouldn't usually do that. I wouldn't have done that, you know, on purpose or anything like that. It was just totally stupid. Totally just didn't really, you know. That was an expensive error. very, very expensive error. If it can't be fixed, you know. So. Oh my. But besides that, it usually does pretty good in regards of, you know, not blowing up when you do things. But I guess I had a blow up, you know. I guess it blew up. Oh well, you know, I guess that's the way it is when you ruin things here and there. But I think I got a little more intelligence on the cables. I think they're using the grounding as the zero. I guess grounding and zero together or something like that. And apparently that is also used for the shielding. I guess they must. I don't know. There must be some information on this thing. So yeah, that is terrible. Yeah, doesn't smell good either. So I think it was a capacitor probably that blew up. That seemed to fit the noise, you know, that I recall from another thing. Where it's like have this blowout, like something is blowing up, something is happening inside. Probably a capacitor that just sucked up, and then boof, you know, bang, got too overloaded. Oh well. Anyway, and who knows? And who knows if I can fix it? I'll have to talk to them about it. That I kind of blew up my Blue 80. It's just terrible. Oh well, lots of other things to do, and if I can still run I can still run the computer, I guess, with the laptop. Hmm. 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 You know, just incredible. Stupid. That's the device. And when you push over here, it will say short. Yeah. So just fix that so it doesn't. So still close the screen. But yeah, it's the DC is dead. The DC is dead. Oh my. Oh, okay. Well, I guess that's another project. I guess. Terrible. But yeah, I guess it's okay if I can still use the 230 volts. I can still gather energy from the solar panels, I guess, and until I guess I'll just see if I can at some point have a look inside of it and see if I can actually if there's a possibility to correct it, or if I can find the issue in regards of the blow up, because I think it probably is a capacitor. Well, no, I don't know. I really don't know. But one of my potatoes seems to have fallen down. Okay, that's interesting. Oh well. That's just terrible. That's just terrible. I was getting closer to kidding, and now I just totally sit back. Something in regards of some. Oh well, whatever. It is what it is, I guess. I guess. Oh my. No, I guess we'll have to have a look inside at some point. And anyway, yeah, okay. Let's turn this off. Well, apparently that didn't really, that still works. Now we can put this one, I guess. We can put this on the side and put it over to the, for some later projects and look into. We have this, well, there should be one more. At some point I can just, sit and do my thing and see if I can fix everything together in the plug and see if we can get it working at some point, and charge the device. Well, anyway, I know in regards to these, if they, I think they probably still works. I don't think there's actually any. They probably still works even if I put 200 watts through it. But this, the 200 watts is probably just traveling through it, without much of an issue, I guess. I think. I don't know. We can put it to the side as well. Now we have this little guy in regards of charging my batteries. Yeah, well, I guess we have some of the batteries I can charge them with, or battery things. I pretty much got all the batteries charged up, and I can still do that through the 230 volts, and then through USB-C or USB adapter here. It's going to be a little more costly in regards of energy, but I guess it's going to be used. That's 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A, and that's pretty much the same as the other one. The only difference is, it could be interesting if I actually could, that's sadly it. It would be nice if you could just plug it. Maybe I could just set it. That's a good question. Where could I set this? You could also set it on the side, I guess. Maybe up here. Maybe not. No, that's too big. Maybe you could set it like this. Or maybe just on top of it. I don't know. Just set it someplace and just connect it. So it's kind of, so it doesn't move around. That would be pretty nice. Just plug it in the 230 volts. Would also be nice if that was a smaller cable than this, just kind of big cable. Oh well, I guess we have some heating issues as well. Oh, let's just set the mobile over to the heating. Oh well. I have a smaller one of these. Yeah, that's not good. Probably should see how much do we have of power. I should probably save the power of the laptop as well. 62. Well, let's see if we can. I guess it's. Let's close this down here. Well, that was kind of not intentional, for sure. Okay, we're backward. Still have some. I still can listen to things and all that, so it's not totally bad. But oh my, that was just stupid. Just stupid. Can't believe that this happened. I just, you gotta be kidding me. Did that really just happen? Yeah, it just really did happen. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, yeah, that did happen. Did I just ruin my blue edgy? Yep, you just did that. Oh, incredible. How do I actually? Oh, I guess I can see here. Oh, I was thinking of actually moving around on a little of the things here, so I guess I can do that as well and see if we can put some. Let's actually, oh well, actually we can do like this, I guess. Okay. There we go, and we can move it up here, yeah. Okay, and we can, I guess, move it like this. There we go. Fix this in here. In regards to the space and all that, it's not like there's a lot of space, right? But anyway, let's see if we can put this over here. And go. We have this like this. Great. Could be nice if I could put something in behind so it actually. Oh, I guess maybe some of the wires maybe could actually be put over there. No. Oh. Who knows? That's a good question. Who knows? Okay, so I'll have this one up here. We have the batteries there. We can put this one there. This one. Oh, I can also put this one there. Oh, okay. And I'll have this one over here. I guess that could be put here. Up here, maybe. Great. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. I need to change this at some point. Oh, that's probably not going to be able to actually do it, I guess. And getting over to the. Oh, we'll see at that point. I guess we can probably pull a little over here. And there we go. And then going underneath here. Yep. And I'll just need to have the machine at some point when it works again. Okay. Okay, we have the two cables here from the. Pretty much put them over here, I guess. There we go. We'll just fix that in here. Great. Yeah, that's kind of terrible. That's kind of terrible what happened. Can't really say much more about that. You know, it's just terrible. Stupid of me. Can't believe I was so stupid. But yeah, I was apparently. Clearly so stupid. So I would ruin my blue Etty. Like, who can be so stupid? I can be so stupid. Well, I guess that was a kind of a, yeah. Well, anyway. Okay. Now we have some of these as well. Click those together as well. Now we have some of these. Close those over here. Cancel this one. We just. Do we have the small one? Oh, that's over here. Great. So, I'll just fix this in here. Oh, that's stupid. Yeah. That was terrible. Oh well. Anyway, I can still do the 230 volts and I guess. Yeah, well, yeah, okay. Anyway. Yeah, I can complain about, yeah, whatever, but, yeah, okay. Now let's fix these together here so we can at least get those together. So, I guess it's part of it when you try things. So, if it's just a capacitor, I guess we'll see if we can get into it. guess that will be probably, yeah. Yeah. I guess I'm going to see how it looks inside and get some more, what do you call it, know-how in regards to that. So, that's terrible. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe I did that. That is just stupid, you know, just incredible. Stupid, you know, one thing is to ruin small blocks of different things, you know. Another thing is to make such stupid, you know, stupid, you know, stupidity, you know, just incredible stupid move. That's just stupid. Come on. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Should be. I've done this beforehand, so it should be able to have room inside. There we go. At least one of them. Come on. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Are you going to make more issues for me here? Well, what did we learn? Well, check things before you actually. I just wanted to, that was just wanted to check, in regards to if it works without load and all that. Yeah, but that was kind of still load on it, you know, still had connected it. Yeah, that's kind of what I had. Yep, that's true. Incredible stupid. Yeah, I'm just having a hard time. Yeah. Oh, okay. You know, it done is done, I guess. It is what it is, you know. Can't really change the fact that I just exploded my Blue 80, you know. It's kind of what it is, you know. There's these cables, USB cables and all that. Okay, well, I think it's a capacitor. If it's just one single capacitor or something like that, shouldn't I be able to just fix it, you know? I should, you know, I think. Hopefully. I'm not good with all these things in regards to all this technical stuff and all that, but I should be able to, you know, to hopefully fix it, if that's the case. If it's just a capacitor. It's still shorting the thing, but I guess the capacitor, you know, if it exploded all over, you know, would need some cleaning as well. So, okay, let's take this down as well. Oh, actually, the idea was to actually knock the batteries over there, but yeah, that's true. Okay, well, let's fix this together over here. I guess a good clean up and just take a break and maybe do a little in regards to seeing if I could, and let's just take a break from the test things here. That's fine. This one we can put over here. I guess this Lego, I could even throw that out as well, because the Lego really, and we have something. We have some Anderson plugs on the way that I'm going to use instead of these Lego things, because the Lego really didn't do it much for me. We have another of these plugs here. I don't know what to do with that. Maybe over here. Stupid. Yep. Just kind of stupid. I'm kind of stupid. Stupid. Oh, this one there. And this one. Well, powering off. Well, I guess that was not enough destruction.